Hello, everybody. This is Bob Anderson, and I want to wish everybody a happy new year. This is my first video of the new year, and I would have done one earlier to talk about some trading plans and stuff like that, but I have been sick as a dog. And you can probably sense it in my voice here, and trust me, I'm loaded up with Sudafed and stuff right now. Hell, a meth head could take me and turn me into something. Anyways, so I want to say happy first day of trading, 2023. I also want to say that if oil has trade setups the rest of the year, like it did today, it's going to be a really good year. I'm going to show you the perfect trade setup of the continuation trade, a version of the continuation trade that's absolutely freaking perfect. I did not expect anything out of today. And then when this setup happened, I took it, boom, 20 ticks per contract in 1 minute. You know, I could have called it a day then. I took another trade in oil later for another like 11 ticks or something like that. I'll show you that also. But anyways, and I took a couple dick and dunks in ES. I ended up with $497 a contract today on six total contracts. Anyway, so that's a pretty good day. Anyways, so I want to show you this crossover continuation trade that I took today. It's the continuation trade, but it's the first one. And what I mean by the first one is when it's crossed over the 5-minute red line and starts and changes direction and then pulls back into my area and then goes. I call that, that's a hybrid of the continuation trade. It's a crossover. It's my highest, to me, that's my highest probability trade that's going to work. Anyways, the other thing I want to just quickly mention, don't forget at midnight tonight on January 3rd, is the end of the 90% off sale. Heck, we've had 300 people already in the first 3 days of this month already sign up for new accounts, which is really cool. But the 90% off sale ends midnight tonight, and our affiliate code is AGIBQTJY. I'll leave that a link to it down below also. It helps support this channel, and anyways, and it gets you the best sale that they have going on at the time. So remember, this is a 90% off on any account that you get. The two main things to it is it reoccurs at 50% off. But the main thing is if you get this account passed through the evaluation and then get it through funded phase to where you can actually draw a check on it in the first funding period of February, which I think ends like February 8th or something like that. I don't know that off the top of my head. But anyways, you get a 20% bonus on your first draw. So that's kind of cool. It doesn't go against your your commissions that you're earning. So anyways, let me show you this trade. This crossover continuation trade in oil that was just a peach. Probably would have worked for the first one for 30 ticks. I just took 20. Anyway, so let me show it to you. Let me show you how it's set up. Let me show you what I was looking for. And by the way, it happened this exact trade happened in the ES once or twice today also. Anyways, so I'll show it to you. Here we are. Here is oil in the 1 minute chart. Okay, so we got a 1 minute oil chart. And we have got 9 o'clock when oil opens. See how it's got a big spread candle right here. And this is your 5 minute red line. I mean, this is your, your 5 minute red line. Yeah, this is your 5 minute gold line. Now, there's two types of crossovers. There's a crossover where you cross over the 1 minute red line and then back. That has a tendency to happen more often in the ES than it does in oil. And then you have the version when it happens in oil. Okay. So like keep in mind, see, you're sitting in consolidation here up in this area. So you got to be really particular when you're taking a trade in consolidation. I don't like, I've talked about that. I don't like to take trades in consolidation, but I will take trades that are crossover continuations in consolidation. Okay. So let's talk about that. What does that really mean? Well, so here's your 9 o'clock open. You roll down, roll up. By the way, there's a continuation trade there. But again, it's not in my strike zone. I don't like to trade oil until after 9:45. That would put me past the open, the oil open, and also put me past the market open. People say the market open. Well, yeah, look at the size of these candles right here. There's 2 candles right here after the market open. These are some huge candles. I mean, that's not continuation type stuff. That's not trending type stuff. That's just stupidity type stuff. So why do you want to get caught in that wash? So again, I want the noise from the open to be over, and I want the noise from the market open to be over. So oil open 9:30 Eastern Standard Time, market open 9:30 Eastern Standard Time. It's not about the quantity of trades, it's about the quality of trades. I can't stress that enough. Anyways, if you don't get anything out of this video, you got to get that out of this video. So anyways, so here's your pull up into your 5-minute red line, which of course everybody should know by now. That's resistance, boom. Goes up again, that's resistance, boom. Remember, 1, 2, 3. Gives up the ghost on the third one. So here you are, bam, rolls up. Now you can, there's some aggressive trading you could take there too, knowing 1, 2, 3. Anyways, that's a different topic, so let's not stay on that one. So you cross over your 5-minute red line, pull up to a nice pivot, rotating way above these pivots, lower high on this candle, lower high on this candle, lower high on this candle, lower high on this candle. Entry is still north of your 1-minute gold line. Bam. Right there, there's your entry. I couldn't draw an example on a board nicer than this one. There's my entry, 79.37. Let's see here. So I had 1 tick of slippage on my entry. Too many of you guys taking the same trade. Anyways, and bam, there's your 20 ticks. I mean, this thing never slowed down. I never took a tick of heat. I mean, that is, if that trade would set up every day for me for the rest of the year, I will be one happy person. Anyways, so all my copy trading accounts and everything took the same trade. Bam, 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 done. So then, now, remember what I said before. We're in consolidation area. See all this consolidation to the left? So you come back down for your second attempt. Heck, even your second attempt didn't work because you're still in consolidation. This is a consolidation zone. Wham! Down it goes. Back across the red line again. Pull back up to your first attempt. Lower high. Or higher low. Sorry, higher low. Jesus. Whew. I'm telling you, I'm medicated right now, folks. Anyways, I just took an entry. Bam, took a quick 11 ticks. I literally just shut it down right there because I had an objective to get $300 per contract out of for my accounts today. I ended up stealing a few more dollars in the ES later, just because hell, the shit set up just like this. I just couldn't walk away. But anyways, bam, bam, there's your 2. So main one is this one, first thing in the morning. Happened at about 10:01, 10:02. And then this one right here at 10:31. Bam. Those are your 2 trades. That's your crossover continuation. I mean, wow. I wasn't expecting rhythm like that. on January 3rd. I really wasn't. Now, what I was not expecting was some good follow through, which that proved to be true. In normal days, that second trade would have gone for 20 ticks. Just no doubt about it. On normal days, that first crossover would have gone for 40, 50 ticks. I mean, just normal days. Today just didn't have the oomph and the fire that I will expect later on in the month of January into February, March. So you got to kind of tighten up your targets, tighten up your stops, and make sure that you're getting it right on an edge when you're trading, when there's really not much trading going on. So anyways, that's my news for today regarding my oil trades. I love oil. I've told you that many thousand times on this channel. But you know, the ES is just as good. And by the way, I think the Russell had some great trades today too. I haven't gone back and evaluated them. I mean, I can only pay attention to so many things at the same time. I did take a couple ES trades. I'm trying to keep this video short today. Anyways, but they looked similar to that right there. I had no losing trades today. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. Everybody have a good day. Don't forget the affiliate code. Today's the last day of the sale if you're going to get an account. And I want to thank every single one of you for the support of even getting an account under our affiliate code. And don't forget, I'm going to be working on a playlist of trades to go over that trade, for example, right there in oil in detail, so that you too can recognize it, see it, take it, and you know, print yourself a paycheck in seconds, like I did today twice. Talk to you guys later. Have a good day. Bye.